Today we're showing you how to do these cute bubble braid pigtails with lace braids. Welcome to Hairstyle Camp. Start by brushing the hair well and make a clean middle part. On one side, create a diagonal section from the front of the middle part to above the ear. Then clip the rest of the hair out of the way. Divide the front section into 3 small strands to start the lace braid. Cross the strand closest to the face under the middle strand, then cross the other outer strand under the middle. Repeat this for the first 2 or 3 passes. After the first couple of passes, start adding a small piece of hair only when the face side strand crosses under the middle. This is what helps the braid curve softly along the side of the head. Keep braiding in the same way and follow the shape of the head. Once all the loose hair from the face side has been added to the braid, continue the rest as a regular 3-strand braid and secure the end with a rubber band. Now, take a matching front section on the opposite side and repeat the same steps to create the lace braid. It's time to start bubble braiding. Take a small front section from the loose hair between the center part and the lace braid. Try to keep the section clean and straight and secure it with a rubber band. Create a second section just below that and tie it off as well. Now bring the first ponytail down and join it to the second one. Fasten them together with a fresh rubber band right over the previous one. Gently pull the hair between the rubber bands to create a soft bubble. Keep repeating the same steps as you work downward. Take a new section, secure it with a rubber band, add the previous section into it, and gently pull the hair to shape the bubble. When the section reaches the ear, bring in the lace braid and join it to that section. Remove the elastic from the end of the lace braid and gently unbraid it right up to the joint so it blends perfectly. Keep adding the sections into the bubble braid as you work toward the nape of the neck. When you reach the end of the head, add rubber bands at an even distance without adding new sections, and gently pull the section between each bands to shape the bubbles. Once you reach the end of the braid, this side is complete. Just repeat the same steps on the other side of the head. And here is the finished bubble braid style with lace braids.